event started, we had instructed Nargis that please don't stand क्योंकि कुछ 12 इंच की heel पहन के आ गए हैं आज. So Ilyana, I'm going to just stand here. Ilyana and maybe Ekta, she's over there. So I look tall. But anyway, so this is the star cast of Main Tera Hero. And I'm very, very thankful to all the members of the press for coming here. Thank you for coming here. And I know there's a slight change in time. And आप लोगों को भी जल्दी भागना है भाई के event पे later on. तो हम लोग आपका ज़्यादा time नहीं लेंगे. So before further ado, let's just play the trailer. 2 बार play करेंगे and then we can open this thing for questioners. अच्छा थोड़े अभी कर ले सकते हैं. And obviously the person behind it all and who's funded our vision creatively and economically also, Miss. Sorry. This is the second time I'm doing this in my life, so there are going to be a lot of fumbles. Miss Ekta Kapoor, please. To say it's been a great journey, and I'm very thankful that in my second film I got such a lovely star cast. I have such lovely people to work with. I know he's my father, but in your second film to work with a director who's made 40 plus films is a very, very big thing, and so thank you for choosing me for this. And Ekta, I want to tell Ekta a big thank you because you bet on me even before anything happened for Student of the Year. You were always very positive, and once the film released, you gave me such a big film like this. And I don't think any newcomer gets such a big film in his second film. I don't think they get that budget or they get this kind of...
But there's a reason for that, Varun.
What is it?
तू दिखता है बड़ा स्वामी टाइप का, but तू है बड़ा हरामी टाइप का.
See, my mother is sitting here, मतलब मेरे पास भी
Sorry, darling. Manage with 2 women with such an innocent face, except for Varun. Tell me, there's no one else.
मैं दिखता हूँ बच्चा, but actually हूँ बहुत बड़ा लुच्चा. These lines are all thanks to Mr. Milap Zaveri, जो इधर किधर बैठे हैं, उधर. Milap, are you here or no? देख सकते हैं. And his partner in crime, Tushar भाई, कुठे आहे तुम्ही? There, even Tushar, he's done the screenplay. So, all of them, it's been a team effort. I think from the get-go, everyone has supported this, from the production to the direction team to the post-production. I think everyone's put in a lot of hard work for this to come through and for you all to see it today. So, my sincere request that please keep your heart open when you see this, because this film has been made with a lot of love and difficulty. So, hopefully you all will like it. We can start with the questions now. I think we can take it.
देखी नहीं. I think मैंने थोड़ा जो फिल्म में देखा है, मैंने इतना ज़्यादा मैडनेस देखा है. एक्चुअली ये फिल्म में सेकेंड हाफ इज़ लाइक अ होमेज टू अमेरिकन हसल. मतलब एक इसके साथ है, वो इसके साथ भी है, ये उसके साथ भी है, ये इसके साथ भी है. तो which actor with such an innocent face can carry off being extremely faithful to 2 girls, except for Varun? He looks so much in love with all. He's my modern day Shri Krishna in the film. So, I think he's with every woman in the film.
No, I'm extremely faithful to 2 girls. That's the key word. Extremely faithful to 2 girls.
दोनों लड़कियों के साथ है. At the end of the day, I think even with his step-mother-in-law, he's a couple of seasons. So there's the madness in the film. The second half is so mad, so funny, and the situational comedy so much that we needed a boy who had the qualities of young Salman and with the effortlessness of Govinda, and who could be probably so effortless in carrying off this faithfulness with 2 girls. Salman, I think, is too honest to be a good politician. I think he's more like an Aam Aadmi. He's people's man.
I think Salman Bhai is like a parallel government. He doesn't have to be with the politics. He's like a parallel government on his own only. I think you've not been in love if you've not got screwed in love. So at some point of time, everyone does get screwed. But the idea is to get screwed and then strike back. And that's what this film is about. Like, I do get screwed, and then how does a boy... It's a boy's journey of how he gets screwed in love and then how he strikes back. In his own way, obviously.
Love definitely is about commitment and definitely not at all about one-night stands. I think everyone here could agree with me on that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say about love. Love is so complicated. You can't really put
love
it
is about friendship.
Is it?
And love takes time to grow, at least real love.
कुछ होता है बहुत बार देखिए. प्यार दोस्ती है.
Song was my son's song, and the title also was with him. Actually, so he gave it.
I think it was planned. It just happened so that like when I started off, I know I gave a lot of interviews. I still stick by it that I wanted to do a lot of dark cinema and stuff because I've grown up watching a lot of Breaking Bad and Dexter, and that's what I watch. But at the end of the day, comedy is in my blood. That is something I was born with. I was born watching Govinda, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar. I was born watching those films, and that's cinema. So that's like a reflex action, as in, you know what I mean? It's something I like, but there's a reflex action in my body that, you know, this will come to me. So that's in me. That's inherent in me.
Haan, bilkul. I can't stand her. She's got to be in a different room, right at the other end of the set, and then there's David G between us, or what? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think if you guys have seen interviews of the two of us, we just get along really well, and we talk nonsense. Yeah, we entertain each other. I think we bully the interviewer more than anything.
What about you, Tagis? Say my name, right? I am a people person, so I get along, you know, with most people. And I've been blessed to get to work with Ileana. She's a lovely soul. She's really fun. No, it is. I mean, I don't know. I know everyone says like, oh, girls can't get along, but that's a bunch of bull. So, you know, there are cool girls out there.
मैं पैदा ही हुआ था बदनाम होने के लिए, तो मुझे चलेगा. But I think, see, it's a fun film, man. I'm 26 years old, and if you're put in a position with such beautiful girls, why wouldn't you do this? Like, why wouldn't you? I mean, look at them. Mimicry itni nahi ki hai, but you know, there's a thing like Dad. His references are like that. Like he'll talk about Govinda a lot. He'll talk about Peter Sellers a lot. He'll talk about Mehmood a lot. And then obviously Salman Bhai, Ranbir, these are the people like even I've seen a lot, so they come naturally. There was a scene, little bit. There's a part in the film where the Barfi joke makes sense because ये कुछ बोलती नहीं है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये गूंगी है, तो इसलिए उल्टा करता हूँ मैं. But ये मतलब सीनू का कैरेक्टर यही है कि वो कैरेक्टरलेस है, तो वो कुछ भी किधर भी कर सकता है. I think Alia and Sid were more nervous for me than I am right now, and that's how our relationship is. I think Sid and Alia's films are releasing in the same month. Mine's still in April, but I feel I've loved the promo of Hasi To Phasi, and I've loved the promo of Highway, and you all should go out and definitely watch that film. And we've discussed competition, we've discussed these things, but I think when you do your first film with someone, that bond just forms. You know, it's like almost like family, like brothers, or like, you know, you're just bonded for life. So you kind of overlook that thing. So I just have a lot of love in my heart for both. हम लोग ने मेरा जो एपिसोड है मैंने एक्चुअली पहले ही शूट कर दिया था. मैं पार्टी वाला बना था. क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट में जाके मैंने ऑलरेडी वेजिटेबल वेंडर्स के साथ मैंने ऑलरेडी वो पूरा दिन उधर शूटिंग की थी कुछ 5-6 घंटे के लिए. और बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट शो होने वाला है. कलर्स पे आने वाला है. मिशन सपने है नाम उसका. सो प्लीज़ वॉच दैट. इट्स अ रियली रियली गुड कॉन्सेप्ट. तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग कर चुके हैं, पर मैं ये हाँ, बट डिज़ाइन तो नहीं किया है, डिज़ाइनर्स ने किया है. बट आई गेस द थिंग इज़ दैट फिल्म का नाम है मैं तेरा हीरो, तो कोई भी पहन सकता है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि खाली वरुण, मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम जस्ट सेइंग आई एम अ हीरो और समथिंग. हीरो टर्म मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन में नहीं है, तो लड़कियाँ भी पहन सकते हैं, लड़के भी पहन सकते हैं बस. और सब लोग आप लोगों को भी दे रहे हैं, आप लोग भी पहनिए घर पे, कोई आपके साथ भिड़ेगा नहीं फिर. Got screwed for that, man, so much. My friends are here in the audience, Ankit and Neil, and they've really taken my case over that. You know, it's one thing when other people take your case, but when your friends like whoop you, that's like the worst thing ever. But yeah, finally, I hope you all are seeing this, guys. I don't want to answer this way, but I have to say it might sound a little cliche, but because I did that bit where I went into Crawford Market and did it, I have to say that the common man who gets up so early and goes and toils every day and tries to earn his bread and butter, they are the real hero. I know it sounds like a film dialogue and it sounds like a rehearsed dialogue, but that's the truth. And I think each one is a hero. Yeah, the guys who come here holding these cameras, you guys who are asking these questions, each one has a hero within them, and you have to just realize, you have to just get in touch with that hero and probably get it out there at some point in life.
You're saying my hero or the ideal hero in the film industry?
Both.
Well, my actual hero, my real life hero, has to be. I'm sorry, Varun. I'm really sorry. Look at him. No, it has to be my mom for sure. It is.
Mine is my mom. Mummy, I love you.
Lali, why are you listening to this? But yeah, I mean, it has to be my mom. She's been with me through it all, and I'm here because of her. So she's definitely my hero.
And in the industry?
I can't say I'd like to work with all of them, so I'm going to be very diplomatic. So I'm not going to choose one.
You know what? That's why we get along. Seriously, because my mom is my hero as well. My mother is my hero. And as for the industry, same thing. I'd like to get a chance to work with everybody.